Doctors diagnose and treat tumor. A lump or abnormal growth in the body can naturally cause concern. But finding a tumor does not automatically mean cancer. Some tumors are benign while others are malignant. Doctors use different tests to understand what type of growth a person has. A tumor developed when cells grow or divide in an unusual way. Normally, cells follow a controlled process of growth and death. Changes in DNA can interfere with this process and also allow cells to continue growing. Benign tumor. Benign tumor are non-cancerous growth. They usually remain in one place and do not invade surrounding tissues or spread to a distant organ. Some benign tumors are discovered accidentally during the routine health checkup or imaging test. If they are small and do not cause problem, doctors may simply monitor them over the time. However, their locations make a difference. A benign tumor growing near the brain, heart, nerve, or important blood vessels may cause serious problem because of pressure or nearby structure. Malignant tumor. Malignant tumor are cancerous. Their cells are grow abnormally and invade surrounding tissues. Some cancer cells can also intrude in a bloodstream and lymphatic system and travel to the other organ. This process is known as metastasis. The ability to spread is one of the major differences between malignant and benign tumor. How are tumors detected? Doctors may first notice tumor during the physical examinations. Imaging tests such as ultrasound, CT scan, MRI scans, and X-ray are provided pictures of growth. However, image alone may not always tell doctors whether a tumor is cancerous. In many situations, biopsy is required. A tissue sample is collected and examined by a pathologist. Doctors may also perform blood tests, genetic tests, or other laboratory tests depending on the suspected condition. Treatment depends on tumor. Treatment is not same for every tumor. A benign tumor may require no treatment if it is not causing problems. Doctors may recommend regular checkups to make sure it is not growing or creating complications. Malignant tumor usually require active treatment. Depending on the cancer, doctor may recommend surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, immunotherapy, targeted medicines, or hormone therapy. Sometimes several treatments are combined. The word tumor does not automatically means cancer. The type, location, size, growth, pattern, microscopic appearance all matters when make a diagnosis. If you notice an unusual lump, swelling, unexplained growth, or other concerning changes, it is important to speak with healthcare professionals rather than trying to determine its natural work yourself. Benign and malignant tumor can look similar from the outside, but their behavior is very different. Benign tumors generally stay in the one place, while malignant tumors can invade tissues and spread. Proper medical evaluations, imaging, and sometimes biopsies help doctors determine the correct diagnosis and treatment.